Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make delicious fish shawarma. If you love fish or if you've tried chicken or beef shawarma, then I guess you're going to love this one because it's so good. Try making fish shawarma for a change and it might just be your newest obsession. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with my fish. This is the fish I'm using. You can use any fish of choice. This is already washed and clean. So I'm going to season this. I added some salt, some fish spice, went in with some ginger powder. I added some cayenne pepper and went in with seasoning cube and used my hand to mix this all properly till everything is all well mixed. So I'm going to go ahead and grill this. You can use your air fryer or your oven. So this is it. It's done grilling. You can even boil it or fry it if you want to. So I just grilled mine. I'll go ahead and debone the fish. Just take out all the bones of the fish and try as much as possible to pick out all the bones. So after deboning the fish, I'm not going to mash it up or anything, but you can go ahead and just mash your fish up at this point and add the cabbage, the mayo and everything at this point, but I like to go a bit extra, so I'm not going to do that. To my pan, I'll add some oil and I'm going to saute some onions. Fry these onions for a bit, then I'll go in with my garlic. Stir for a few minutes till it's fragrant. I'll go in with my pepper. This is blended pepper and I'm going to stir this for a bit. Then I went in with my ginger powder. I added some more seasoning cube. Then I added some salt and stirred this properly. I'm not going to season this too much because our fish is already well seasoned. Go ahead and stir this for about 2 minutes. Then I'll go in with my fish. I'm just going to mash it up at this point. So mash up your fish. Don't mash it up too much because you want to be like eating the fish. You want to taste the like chunks of fish in your shawarma, so don't mash it up too much. So I'll just stir for about 2 minutes, then take it off heat. Now let's make the shawarma sauce. So here I'm going to add my mayo, added some ketchup. You can be as generous as you want to. Went in with some sweet chili sauce and then I added a bit of sugar. You can skip the sugar if you want to and stir this properly. You can even go in with some lemon juice if you want it more runny and if you want it to just balance the whole thing, but I'm not adding that in this recipe. And this is what our shawarma sauce looks like. I'll just keep that aside. To a separate bowl, I'll go in with the fish. Just go in with all of your fish. Then I'll go in with some chopped cabbage, some grated carrots, then go in with the shawarma sauce. Just leave a little behind to seal off the edge of the shawarma. Go ahead and stir this properly. Mix it up till the fish, cabbage, carrot and the sauce is very well mixed. Just mix this properly. This is what it looks like. It looks so juicy and looks so good. If you want it juicier, just go in with more shawarma sauce, but this is okay for me. Next, you're going to get your bread. This is the bread I'm using. They call it Lebanese bread or Arabic bread as written on this, Arabic bread, and this is one I use all the time. And luckily for me this time it was really fresh. Like it was even hot when I got it. I don't know if you can tell that it's really fresh because it's very soft. So I'm going to open this up just like this. You can decide to use it without opening it up, but I always like to open it up like this because it's easier for me to wrap up. After opening it up, place one on the other, then go in with your filling. Then you're going to fold it just like this. Watch closely. Fold it like this and then go ahead and fold. Be careful and gentle with the folding. Try to fold tightly, then add in the remaining sauce at the sides to just seal it off. It's quite optional. Even if you don't add it, it's still going to be okay. So this is what it looks like after adding the sauce at the end to seal it off. So let me do it one more time in case you missed a step. So open it up like this. Can you see how soft this bread is? I squeezed it and it's still okay. It was really fresh. So open it up, place one on the other, then go in with the filling. Then you're going to fold like this and fold everything tightly. Make sure you secure everything, nothing is coming out from whatever side. Make sure to secure properly. Then add your sauce at the end, and then you can cover it up just like this, and that's it. That's basically how to make your shawarma. So this is it, all done. Okay, this is what I'm using. I'll just grease and then place the shawarma in, and then I'm going to grill it. Alternatively, you can use your pan for this process. Just toast it on both sides. When one side is ready, then flip the other side, and that's it. Go ahead and repeat the process for all your shawarma. However many pieces you're using, go ahead and repeat the process, and voila, that's it. And it looks so good, and the taste is also very, very good. So tell me, is this something you're willing to try? Are you going to try making fish shawarma, or you think, nah, that's not something I'm going to do? Trust me, the first time I thought about this, I thought, oh my god, how would it taste? But then I tried it, and the taste was very, very good. If you've tried fish shawarma before, leave me a comment down below, and if it's something you're willing to try, also leave me a comment. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.